welcome to my vlog everyone. So today we're doing some baked chicken with rice and peas, so stay tuned. So this is a chicken that my mother has already seasoned from overnight. I wasn't here yesterday to capture it. So you just use the regular seasoning that you normally season your chicken with to your liking. And of course, to wash your meat ahead of time before you proceed to season it. Next, I have also greased my baking tin that I'm going to be putting the pieces of chicken into. Okay, and also remember to preheat your oven before you proceed to bake your chicken. So there are the pieces of chicken that I have arranged into the baking tray, and adding the additional seasoning to the baking tray. Next, I'm going to be placing it inside the oven to be baked. I think it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. Now I'm doing my barbecue sauce, just a few simple ingredients. I am using some brown sugar. I am also gonna be using some ketchup and a little bit of lime juice, and I will mix it well. Then I'm going to put it aside for when the chicken is tender enough on both sides. Then I'm going to be basting it with the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to be checking on the chicken. I'm going to be removing it from the oven and put it on the trivet because it's coming straight from the hot oven, and I don't want to put it on the surface plain just like that. So I'm going to be turning over the pieces of chicken. I'm going to be using a basting brush to apply the sauce to the chicken, and then I'm going to be using the spoon to finish it up because I wasn't really satisfied with how the brush had applied the sauce. And then I'm going to put the remaining amount of the sauce over the chicken, and then I'm going to be putting it back into the oven to just tenderize some more and to just absorb the sauce and for it to get that nice pretty barbecue look type of color. Yes, so just gonna put it back in the oven for a couple minutes, and then the chicken should be ready